gonna get it on there? I wanna see. Oh, you gonna hold it up. That's cheating. Working smart, not hard. Oh, come on, man. Dude, how you gonna get it, man? The regular pull up on it wave don't working? The regular pulling up on it. Oh, he got it. Dude, man, how you do that? Working smart, not hard. Hey, yeah, tilapia. That's for tomorrow, right? Tomorrow Wednesday, right? Yeah. Tilapia and whatever else. I don't know, what come with it? White rice, green beans, that'll work. He got it, man. I had faith in him. I knew he would. Sometimes. Yeah, I do. Oh, let's go over here, guys. Let me show y'all something. I've seen adapter housing leak a lot. Leak pretty bad, but I have never seen one leak this bad. Okay. Now, our buddy went to lunch. He said he came back and this was on his floor. He go, oh my God, what the hell wrong? Did I leave the oil drain plug off? Then he remembered he didn't change the oil. So all we did was let it up and look, guys, look at that. This is the worst I ever seen an oil filter adapter housing. Okay. Yes, all coming. I asked him, did you pressurize it or something and finish blowing it out? He said, no, it's just leaking. I don't know, just got a lot of miles on it. Wow. Oil filter adapter housing is shot. Now, my man Paul Joe say Derman makes an oil filter adapter housing. I don't know the quality. I've never used one. I don't know. I'm an OEM guy, so every chance I get, I'm gonna use the OEM. So I don't know. But yeah, that's like the worst I've ever seen one, guys. Wow, that is crazy. All right, guys. So notice this aftermarket cat converter, guys. Guys, you got to be careful with these cats. Now look at this cat. Obviously it wasn't a select fit cat because you can see where they welded to the existing pipe. These things can cause you trouble you wouldn't believe, guys. Flow rate, normally if they dirt cheap, they cheap for a reason. We're talking about quality type cheap. And this will, I've seen these cat converters cause everything from misfire to back pressure problems, all kind, and it be unknown problems like the computer unable to detect problems with this cat, so it'll throw misfire codes instead. When in all in actuality, the flow, just say, what is that? That's likely this bank 2, this bank 1. So likely if this is 3.6, likely you'll get codes like bank 1. Balance, imbalance. You would get crazy fault codes, guys. Be extremely careful. Now, I'm not saying only get OEM. I'm not that big a OEM freak. All I'm saying is if you're gonna get a aftermarket cat, make sure they're gonna warranty it and the flow rate will meet OEM specification. Okay, look how flimsy that sound. Yes, this sounds good, but it's $1,000. It sounds flimsy. It's likely, I don't know, $99. It's not even select fit. It's you just got a cat and somebody's supposed to cut and I only do select fit. I try to only do select fit. I don't want to modify nothing, man. But look at that oil filter adapter housing. Oh my goodness, that will lead. People trade their cars in for stuff like this. Oh, it's leaking bad. I need a new car. That's where JT come in and I'll take it. I got cars I ain't even have to pay for simply because people just paranoid like that. Man, just pay the bill, you can have it. Like they'll leave the car in the shop and say, they'll find out they have a payment at the shop, checkout charge, diagnostic charge. He said, man, I'll bring you the title, just take care of the bill. And it'll be an even swap like that. Sounds good to me. All right, my man, what my neighbor doing over here? Hey, he got a Hemi tow apart. This is the engine guy, guys. Now, y'all remember that boroscope type tool I saw at Harbor Freights? If you wanted to dig down in there, I don't know, I guess you would have to pull. No, the heads will have to be off to get down in the lifter journals to see if a lobe is worn. All right, I don't know what he's doing to this. I don't see, all I see is the intake off. don't know if this is a ticker or a water. I don't know. Interesting. My man always up to something over here. He's the 3.6 Hemi King. Uh-oh. Y'all see this? All right. Remember, guys, if you see this metal shavings or aluminum shavings surrounding all this, that is a wrap, guys. It's time for an engine. All right. If your metal shavings don't make it this far, you stand a chance of survival. Okay. He did a tick over here on the 3.6 Pentastar, I guess before. I don't see any load wear on that, but yeah, my man is the king over here with these Pentastar and the Hemi. So he got them both down pat, guys. Gen 3. Notice there's nothing off this cover, guys. Notice what I said. I said notice, okay? Which means this engine is holding up. Uh-oh. I spoke too soon. Look at all that, guys. Y'all know what that means? And you can smell it. That can only come. Ooh. Water pump, guys. Can you say water pump? Now, this likely have a gazillion miles on it, guys. And you can expect a water pump to go out on just about anything. You know, when you start dealing with internal engine ticking noise, that's where everybody loses faith in the product. You can survive somebody telling you, yeah, I got 90,000 miles, 100,000 miles on a water pump leaking. That piece of junk. No, my friend, you got almost 100,000. It's time for you. I ain't gonna say it's time because everybody deal with quality a little different. I'm guessing at the miles, but we about to find out. It is, what is it? What was it? 81. So the customer got 81,000 miles out of that water pump. Not bad, guys. All right, I've seen them go longer. I've seen them go sooner. So it all depends. All right, but internal Pentastar Gen 3 EGR cooler, they holding up. Okay, so guys, that's all I have, man. A typical day in the shop. Y'all know how we do, man. All right, so hey, somebody did brakes on there. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. That is terrible. That is just terrible. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Check this out, man. Y'all see this? Y'all see what this box? Y'all see that? Y'all see that, right? K&N. All right. Performance Air Intake System. That is what I just installed on this 6.1 Hemi, guys. This is a Chrysler 300. I want to say 07 model, but it doesn't matter the model. Now, I just installed this. What's going to change, guys? I don't know. All right. I know what I read as far as high performance, more horsepower, things like that, but I don't really know. So if any of you guys have installed one of these, tell me, let me know what advantages do you have. All right, I'm just the installer on this particular setup. I merely installed it. I now want to know what's the advantage to installing it. All right, so anybody there on IG, let me know what y'all think, man. All right, tune in to my YouTube channel, guys. JT the Car Guy. All right, online mechanic tip. Stay tuned.